The YIHUA 928D-III soldering iron boasts a powerful 110-watt output, enabling efficient heating and precise temperature control for a variety of soldering projects. This soldering iron is highly portable, weighing only 197 grams, and includes convenient features such as a sleep function and digital temperature display. The clear digital display and integrated power switch enhance user safety by allowing easy temperature adjustments and the ability to turn off the device even when plugged in. It comes with a range of extra accessories, including 4 different soldering tips, a heat-resistant stand, and a brass wool tip cleaner for added convenience. Users can purchase the YIHUA 928D-III with confidence, thanks to the 12-month technical coverage and round-the-clock professional support available on Amazon. This model is designed for use with a 110 to 127 volt power supply and includes a US standard power plug, making it ideal for American users.